beautiful people. This is Miss Regina. Welcome back to Break the Sickle Cycle. On today's episode, I will be elaborating on some of the symptoms that an individual with a sickle cell disease exhibits. Symptoms are the physical or mental features that indicate the presence or the existence of a disease or a condition. The very first symptom that individual with a sickle cell disease exhibits is pain. This pain can be either acute or chronic. Acute happens suddenly and chronic is over a period of time. This pain that we are talking about is not an ordinary pain that individuals experience in our daily life. This is an excruciating pain which happens as a result of blocking of the vessels by the sickle-shaped red blood cells. This pain is very severe, which interferes with even the normal daily activities. This is an unbearable pain which can be rated 8, 9 or 10 on a scale of 1 to 10. This pain can happen in any part of the body, and because there is a blockage in the vessels, blood are not able to flow, and fluid from the vessels can leave and settle in the tissue, leading to swelling of those tissues. And then again, there is anemia, which happens as a result of excessive red blood cell breakdown, which has been explained in our previous episode. These symptoms comes together to the sickle cell crisis, which will be vividly explained in another episode. There is also jaundice. Jaundice is the yellowish discoloration, which is mostly seen on the sclera or the palm, which happens as a result of excessive red blood cell breakdown due to how it is shaped. Some people with the sickle cell disease has a spider-like body shape, which means they have a short trunk with elongated extremities. Your extremities are your hands and your legs. So these people has a short trunk and a very long hands or legs. And then again, they have a prominent forehead with a protruding anterior teeth. There is also growth retardation. People with the sickle cell disease has red blood cells that are not capable of carrying the required oxygen and nutrients that are needed for proper growth and development, which results in a retarded growth of these individuals. They mostly look younger than their age. There is immunosuppression in sickle cell disease. Individuals with the sickle cell disease has a very weak immune system, which predisposes them to getting continuous infection. And then again, the spleen and the liver also becomes enlarged as a compensatory mechanism to the inability of the red blood cells to carry the needed oxygen that they require to function properly. So there is splenomegaly and hepatomegaly as well. The last symptom that I will be talking about today is priapism. Priapism is the unwanted persistent erection of the penis, which happens as a result of blockage in the vessels inside the penis without any sexual arousal. Priapism is when the male penis becomes erected without any sexual stimuli, but rather as a result of a blockage in the vessels that supplies the penis. When these sickle cell red blood cells blocks the arteries that are supplying the penis with blood, it leads to a very painful erection of the penis. This erection does not subside without a medical attention. These are some of the symptoms that we will be talking about today. Thank you for your time and see you in our next episode.